Hey everybody, it's Emily. You see this? This is a 200-gallon smart pot. It originally had been filled with goat manure, a mix of goat manure and native soil and maybe some other kind of potting soil. Can't remember exactly. But I haven't fertilized since. This is the crop I got this year. This is the first time that I've had a bumper crop of carrots, that I've actually had a carrot pretty much come up every place that I put a seed. And I wanted to tell you the two tricks I learned. I mean, obviously, you want good soil. You want soil that's at least somewhat loamy. You don't want clay soil unless you're getting the variety of carrot that only grows like so long. But you generally want fairly loamy soil, not full of rocks, etc., etc. I was doing those things before. The things I weren't doing, I tried. I tried to cover up the baby seedling carrots to protect them from grasshoppers. That did not work. So the first thing, so that was one of the things. How do I keep the grasshoppers off my carrots? And if you're vegan, you're not going to like hearing this, but I figured out the only way to do it, really the only way to do it, is to kill the grasshoppers. So I bought some Nolo bait, N-O-L-O, Nolo bait from Amazon.com. I'd heard about it from the Dirt Doctor, the organic gardening expert in Texas. Unfortunately, it will also kill baby crickets, what I don't like, because crickets, don't do any harm pretty much. They're helpful, but it targets baby grasshoppers and nothing else. Baby grasshoppers and baby crickets, they eat it, they die. They can't grow up and eat down your seedlings. And it worked. I sprinkled some around this area in the garden and have hardly had any. They're just starting. I've just started now to see some more baby grasshoppers and an adult one once in a while, so I put down some more Nolo bait. But yeah, therefore the seedlings weren't eaten down as soon as they came up. But even before that, my other big problem was rain washing the seeds away, either completely away or they'd all be washed to one side of the bed or pot, whatever I was growing in. And so I'd have sporadically a carrot here, a carrot here, a carrot here, and nothing on the other side. What I did to fix that, I discovered, was I just took a lightweight summer row cover, covered the whole thing, and weighted it down on 4 sides. And that apparently worked. All the seeds remained in their place. They were able to germinate, and because the grasshoppers weren't there. Yes. I have carrots. Now, it's looking a little sparse because, as you can see by some of the holes, I've harvested probably about a dozen already. We've eaten. I mean, they're growing. This is the other thing that's really never happened before. I'm consistently picking carrots that are the size that you would see in a grocery store. So that's really cool. I've got a beautiful lush jungle of carrots here. And yes, I did thin them, by the way. You do need to thin them or they'll, the roots won't grow. But those are my 2 tips on how to grow a bountiful crop of carrots. If you appreciated this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with all your gardening friends. I'll see you for the next video. In the meantime, take care and happy gardening.